Hi folks, in the last episodes of Cloud Focus, we talked about the Pangu big models and tour chains, and today we're going to focus on the applications. The concept of Metaverse has attracted much discussion since its inception. Some see it as a 3D version of the web, and others think it will fundamentally change our lives. So my understanding of the Metaverse began with virtual human, digital twin, and mixed reality. And today, Dr. Lin will tell us about the applications of the Pangu big model in the Metaverse, giving us an in-depth understanding of the integration and development of AI and the Metaverse. Hi, Doctor.
Hi, Tianle.
What kind of research you're doing recently?
Recently, I'm doing very interesting researches about the Metaverse. There is two very important elements in Metaverse. One is digital human, and the other is AI assistant design.
Yeah, I know Huawei Cloud has its own digital human named Sarah, and she's very beautiful.
Yeah.
And also she's a window for me, to start to understand the Metaverse.
Yes, recently we rely more and more on digital communications. So in this way, the digital human is more and more important, and the technology is also improved recently. And previously, when we talk about the digital human, it is just images. Maybe they can talk to you, but they are not very smart. But currently, when we have the large model technologies, it can become the brain of the digital human. So when they talk to you, they can know your background very well. They can know the industry knowledges. They can know what you want. Maybe they can analyze the real-time conversation with you. So it is very useful in the different scenarios. 2 years ago, when the author of Bank 4.0, Brad King, came to China, he told us a very interesting bank customer services scenarios. 4.0, the banking is everywhere, so they can directly use a robot. When a customer service robot is talking to a customer, the background will analyze their talking real time. And at the same time, because the customer is a VIP customer, the bank will storage the historical data of this customer. At the same time, the large models will combine the historical information of this customer and the real-time conversation. So in this way, the sales can know how to react to the customer's requirement very well. Previously, when he told me such a scenarios, I think it's very like the scientific fiction, but currently it can become true. So I think it is very fantastic.
Great. So it seems like through Pangu's various, engine, like model engines, the digital human are provided with brains, so they can talk, they can act, and they can move. Even they can, interact with human in real time, right? So that's awesome. So what about the AI assistant design you just mentioned earlier?
Oh, I have another story to tell you. And recently, I want to do a painting for my house. What I imagine is a little fox in a banana forest. But I do not have many inspiration about that. How to draw it and how to combine the different colors of the different elements in the paintings. I have no idea because I am not a painter. Yeah, so I use large models. I just input some keywords inside it, like the fox, like the banana trees, and it will generate several drawings for me. You can see all of these pictures on my slide. Yes, after I have seen these pictures, I know how to draw my paintings, so I finish it very quickly, just in 2 hours. So I think it is helpful for me. For the Metaverse, there is a lot of creators like me. They want to draw the paintings, they want to design the buildings in their own environment, maybe they want to write a novel themselves, to do the operation of their own community. So at this time, they need a lot of inspiration, but you know, our human brain is limited. Maybe sometimes we do not have many inspiration on a lot of things. So at this time, the large models is very useful to help us to do the design. In addition, we also use AI assistant design in the fashion field. At present, the semi-customization is very popular in the fashion industry, and according to the basic styles, the customers can make their own fine-tunings for themselves. Like my slide shows, maybe the customer find a basic style, but she want to change the colors of it. Maybe she wants there is no sleeves on this skirt. So all of these requirements. But however, just the fine-tuning just according to the customer's language description is not necessarily what the customer wants. So at this time, it is very important to use the large models to quickly generate the clothing pictures according to the customer's language. So in this way, this allows the sales to act as the designers to help the customers to generate what she really wants. So the multimodal model can help the customers let her language description to become what we can see. Except that, the large models not just can turn the salesperson to the designers, but also can help the designers to become the sales. Generally speaking, the fashion brands like the Louis Vuitton and Dior will design some capsule models to show the brand's innovative image. However, most customers do not brandly pursue just what is novelty. Maybe they rather like to seek in their own existing styles. Just a little changes is okay. So this poses a big problem for our designers. They do not know what is the proportion of the innovative element and the traditional element in the clothing design. But using the large models, it will use the self-supervised learning technologies to mark the elements on different images, on different clothes, and they also can get the historical sales data to give the designers some recommendation to say which element is very popular with customers. For a very special VIP customers, they also can give his special data what he like. So in this way, the designers can put such elements into the VIP customers' clothes design. So all of these things is very interesting, and also the designers can be a sales, and also sales can be designers.
Yes, it's very interesting. I feel like I can maybe one day I can realize my design dream with the help of the AI assistant design.
Yeah.
And thank you so much, Doctor, for your great presentation today.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you. Thanks for watching this episode of Cloud Focus. I hope you like it. Please scan the left QR code for more documents about Huawei Cloud technologies and the right QR code for more help in a Huawei Cloud Developer Forum. There's more to come, so stay tuned. I'll see you next Wednesday.